Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this comprehensive guide, we will show you how to disable Contact Join Telegram notifications. By following these simple steps, you can have better control over your notification settings. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Locate the Telegram icon and tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Once the app opens, look for the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner of the screen. This icon represents the menu. Tap on it to access the Telegram settings. Step 3. Inside the menu, you'll find various options. Locate and tap on Settings to proceed. Step 4. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Events. Tap on it to access the event notification settings. Step 5. Now, within the Events settings, you'll find an option called Contact Joined Telegram. By default, it is enabled. Tap on the toggle switch beside it to turn off the Contact Joined Telegram notifications. By disabling the Contact Joined Telegram notifications, you won't receive alerts when your contacts join Telegram anymore. This can help you maintain a more focused and less distracting Telegram experience. Congratulations! You have successfully disabled the Contact Joined Telegram notifications in Telegram. Now, let's recap the steps. Open Telegram, tap on the 3 stacked lines, go to Settings, scroll down to Events, and turn off the Contact Joined Telegram option. We hope you found this full guide on disabling Contact Joined Telegram notifications helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help you. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your Telegram experience with customized notification settings.